Okay, example 7.4, it is given to you a CDF. As you can see, the CDF is represented as a capital letter of fx here. Okay, this is a cumulative distribution table. So you can see the difference between the table from the PDF and CDF. Okay, so you can see when the x is equal to 1, we'll be having 0.2, and when the x is equal to 2, we'll be having 0.32, and so on, which is the summation. The difference, which is you can see the when the last x here, it must be equal to 1. So the first question asking, okay, for this example 7.4 here, they're already given to CDF that we want to find a PDF, a specific PDF. You may put some notes there. And which is the first question, the question asking to have property of x is equal to 3. Do not put the answer is not 0.67. Okay, the question asking for the PDF, not CDF. If the question asking for the CDF, which is property of x less than or equal to 3, so you may put this answer. But as for this one, the question asking property of x is equal to 3. They just want to treat this column, so we want to find PDF. So this is given to CDF, you want to find a specific PDF. Okay, so what can we do? You can see from the solution, we just want, as we know, the CDF for 3 will be having, what is it? The CDF for 3, it will be equal to property of x less than or equal to 3, which means you are going to have some summation for the PDF from property of x is equal to 1 plus property of x is equal to 3 plus property of x is equal to 2 and 3. So it will be having 0.67. And as we know, the previous one for the CDF will be F2 is over here, right? So you'll be having property of x less than or equal to 2 will be equal to 0.32. So what can you do? F3 minus F2. Property of x is equal to 2, right? So you just want this one. So F3 minus F2, so you'll be having 0.35. So this is your PDF, the answer for A. So I hope you are clear about this one. Next, question B. The question only asking property of x greater than 2. So it is greater than 2, which means we want property of x is equal to 3, x is equal to 4, x is equal to 5. Okay, which is 2 is not included. The problem one, we are having CDF, not PDF. So what can you do over here? Which is you can use this one, this formula. 1 minus with property of x less than or equal to 2. So as we know, x less than or equal to 2, which is defined as a F2 because we doesn't want this column when x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. So we want to have 1 minus F2, so we'll be having 1 minus 0.32, so we'll be having 0.68. Actually, we have another one solution. Okay, do let me know if you want to ask another one solution here, which is give me some specific question. What I mean is maybe you can say it to me, example 7.4, question B. Okay, do let me know. And question C. The question only asking property of x less than or equal to 4 and greater than or equal to 2, which is between of 2 and 4, which is 2 and 4 is included. Okay, so if you try to look at here, we have a 2 solution. This is what I said before. Okay, so question B, you can use this another one solution here. Okay, so if you try to look at question C, okay, let's discuss question C first. You can see over here, which is you can have F4 minus F1, so you'll be having 0.7 because you just want the specific from 2 until 4, which means we want to have x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3, and x is equal to 4, which is this one. Or another one solution, you can find the PDF first, which is this CDF, change it into the PDF first. Is it okay? So you can have it with the same question here. With the same solution. Actually, for question B, you may try to use this kind of solution to solve question B. Is it okay? And for the next one, Example 7.5. Example 7.5, it is the question, how can we have from the CDF to the PDF? So it already given to you CDF in the table. So what can you do over here, which is they want to have PDF. So this is some solution. So I hope you can try to look at it over here by your own self here. Okay, try to look over here. I'm just leave it to you. And then for the next one, example 7.6. Does it have solution? Please try it first. Do let me know if you cannot do it. Okay, and then for the next one, which is we are going to proceed. Okay, for the expectation and variance of random variable. Okay, so we're going to see over here expectation and variance. Calculate expectation and variance for this random variable. So this is the formula. I hope you can remember the formula for the expectation for the discrete random variable. We'll be having this one. Okay, capital letter of EX will be equal to summation of what? Summation of X multiplied with a PDF. Okay, so just proceed example 7.7 already given to you PDF. Please do remember they are using PDF over here. Okay, they are using PDF over here. So what can you do over here, which is right, already given to you a PDF table, which is this is the formula, the summation of X multiplied with the PDF. So X is equal to 1 multiplied with 0.1 plus 2 multiply 0.3 plus 3 multiply 0.3 plus 4 multiply 0.2 plus 5 multiply 0.1. You may use your calculator, don't worry. So the answer will be 2.9. Is it easy? Yes, it is easy for you. So this is the formula for the EX, which is expectation. Example 7.8, okay, if you try to look at example 7.8, does it have a solution? So the question asking to define the PDF. So put a sum table. This is your PDF, right? In the previous question, 7.7, right? Okay, do it like this way. So this is for the question A. Try to do it first. And question B, average. So examine average. So actually, they want to find mean, which is they want to find the expectation, just what you already did before. Just try to do it first so that we can discuss later. Do let me know if you are not, if it doesn't get it. And example 7. Not example 7, which is for the next one. Okay, expectation of any function of X. Expectation of any function of X. So before we proceed, you will be going to have the same formula, but just what you're given to GX multiply with the PDF. Okay, so it will be having the same. Actually, they are having the same solution here. This is your, just imagine this is your GX. Okay, so GX multiply with a PDF and so on, summation of it. Okay, let's proceed. This is important. The properties of expectation. Please to highlight, please put in your notes. EA will be equal to A, EAX will be AEX, AX plus B will be having AEX plus with a B. So it is important for you. 7.9, we doesn't have a solution. Okay, just try it first. This is how can you use the properties here. Okay, this is your time to use, of course, to study self, right? Okay, so let's proceed. The variance. Okay, so the variance, this is the proving. I'm not going to show you the proving for the variance here. So just proceed. This is the formula for the variance. Actually, they are having the same, not the same. They are using the formula from the expectation. So hook by crook, to use the formula for the variance, you need to know the formula for the expectation. So let's proceed, just proceed. Okay, of course, after you've got the variance, you if the question asks you to find the standard deviation, you are going to have a square root of it, right? So 7.10, it is given to you the PDF. So the question asking, what is your expectation? What is your variance? Don't worry, we're having a solution here. So expectation already have the answer here. Variance will be having EX squared minus EX. Then you are going to square the EX there. So you already have a solution here. Just, of course, you're going to have some study self there. The variance of X is always positive. This is important. Please put some notes there. And the properties of variance is different with the properties of expectation. Variance A will be 0. Variance X will be X squared variant x. Variance say x plus b will be to x squared. Sorry, a squared variant x. So please make sure there are difference between these two. Between these two properties. So please make sure you are sure about it. Okay, so let's proceed, which is for the next one. Example 7.11 already have a solution, so please make sure you ask yourself about it. Okay, 7.11 already have a solution. Okay, please make sure you know how to do it. And 7.12, just try to do it. It doesn't have a solution, but already have answers there. Do let me know if you have some problem with that one. Okay.